Well, today we have a very special guest with us. This is Clarence Sullivan, and he's going to tell you a few ways that he has learned personally how to save not only his life, but other people's lives as well. So let me introduce you to him. Thank you so much, Clarence, for coming out today and sharing your own personal experiences with taking medications.
It's very important. I didn't realize this before, but there are actually 125,000 people that die every year because they don't take their pills right in accordance with what their doctor told them.
That's right. I know that. I mean, and even some people take the wrong medications as well. I mean, they make a mistake. It's just terrible. So tell me, how have you changed this? Would you change pharmacies, I understand?
Yes, I found this pharmacy. It's up by Anaheim Stadium. It's called AmeriPharma.
AmeriPharma,
And they have this machine connected to their software machine for this pharmacy.
Ooh.
And it takes and it puts all my pills by time of day and day of week in a complete roll, so I cannot make a mistake because it's clearly labeled with the date and time and what the medicine is.
Oh, wow.
And the machine is 100% accurate.
Wow, that's phenomenal. So I know you prepared a little box for me as well, and mine says 6 p.m., so I was not a good girl and I didn't take my medication on time. But I understand that this is really a great thing to do because, as you can see, it has exactly the time on it as well, when you're supposed to take it and what's inside. And you prepared mine with M&Ms, which is really cool.
Well, it's not, I think the pharmacy made that up for you because it's not allowed to promulgate what medicine you're taking on a camera because there's rules about the government doesn't gives you trouble.
Well, I'm not taking any medications anyway.
Well, I am. I used to have, when I was younger, I was lieutenant in special warfare, and I didn't have any problems. But now that I'm older,
you were a lieutenant.
I was a lieutenant in the Navy.
And in the Navy.
Yeah, a long time ago.
In submarines?
No, I was in special warfare. Actually, I drove a swift boat for SEAL Team 1. That's what I did.
Oh, a SEAL team member.
No, I was a boat support unit member. I drove the boat for the SEALs.
You drove the boat for the SEALs?
Support the SEALs,
Well, to support the SEALs. Well, that's just as important because otherwise they couldn't get away.
Yeah, it was an honor to serve the country. But now I've got several conditions where I have to take pills, and then I also like to take certain vitamins and nutraceuticals to keep my health up.
Yes.
I have a friend of mine that has his doctorate in pharmacology, and he takes 8,000 units of vitamin D a day.
Oh, yeah.
And that's way higher than what the government recommends, but he says it's key to keep you from catching colds. Now, I don't know why, because I'm not a pharmacist, but I trust the guy.
Actually, I'll tell you something that nobody knows. Well, now everyone will know. I'm also taking just vitamin D, and that's it.
It's great for you. It's almost like an enzyme, is what my friend tells me. And so now I don't have any problem at all. They deliver this right to my house. If I have a special medication, they'll deliver it in 4 hours if I need it right away.
So there's no cost and they deliver it right to your house?
That's right. I'm paying the same now. I use the same insurance company. I use I have the same copays.
Wow.
I have no change in the dollars that I put out, and I don't have to drive down to Walmart or CVS or something to
pick
get
it
this
up.
stuff.
Yeah, they send it right to the door free of charge. Wow.
Well, they bring it there. They don't send it like FedEx or anything. They actually physically
deliver it. Wow.
The people at the pharmacy, they have a staff of people. They have a lot of patients down here in these skilled nursing facilities and assisted living facilities like I think it's Villa Valencia or something like that. So they just bring it to my house.
Wow. Well, that's amazing. So obviously you're enjoying this experience.
Well, I mean, it just makes me feel safe.
Yeah.
You know, since it doesn't cost any more money, I keep the same insurance, and they prepare it so I can't make an error. What did I have to lose?
Right, exactly. I mean, just think about it. Some people use those little pill boxes, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And what if their caregiver or even themselves put it in the wrong box? Or what if they drop the box and then you can't really even tell what medicine you're taking at all?
Yeah, and another thing too, when people are putting pills in a box, they can get distracted thinking about some other event they're anticipating to go to, and they make mistakes.
Right.
In fact, I saw this study where nurses distributing pills out of these cards to patients had an 8% error rate, and they're licensed nurses.
Oh my God.
And our goal is to save lives.
Yeah. Well, Clarence, I do hope, this year that you'll be visiting us at Wellness in the Woods and, be able to explain and show and share this with some of our residents here.
Yeah,
that would be really great.
It's kind of my way of helping other people, because I've benefited from it so much that, why not let everybody know?
Right. And you don't even work for the company. You're just sharing what you do.
That's right.
That's great. That's great. Well, Clarence, thank you so much for coming up and sharing Medbox with us and letting us know the benefits of it and the fact that it's free and how it can help so many people here in the village.
Well, it was my pleasure to do that.
So thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate it.
Thanks a lot.
I can't believe it. Rescuing people from the... Wow. You are phenomenal.
Thanks.
Well, we thank Clarence so much for coming and visiting us today. Such great information, and we really look forward to seeing him at Wellness in the Woods.